Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change Infinix GT20 Pro 5G look like an iPhone. Well, if you prefer the aesthetic and user interface of iOS over Android, customizing your Infinix phone to look like an iPhone can enhance your user experience. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. The first step, please go to the App Store on your device. Okay, and then you can download and install the Launcher OS 18 application. Well, after the installation process is complete, please open the application and select the language you use. Then click Done. After that, click Continue to proceed and click Start. And then please wait for the setup process for a moment and click on the screen to continue. And click Set as Default. Then you can select Launcher OS 18 as default home app. Okay, and to change the wallpaper, please open the Launcher OS 18 app, and on the app page, you can select wallpaper option. So, allow the application to access photos and videos on your device. And here is the wallpaper that you can apply. But if you want to another one, you can click Add New Wallpaper and select other wallpapers here. Then click Add and click Set Wallpaper. Wait a moment and then the wallpaper has been successfully changed like the usual iPhone display. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change Infinix GT20 Pro 5G look like an iPhone. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.